So, you are used to modeling in Sketchup, and you come to Blender, and you want a method of cutting faces without drawing edge loops. So to cut a face without drawing an edge loop in Blender, this is what you do. First, select your object, hit the tab to enter edit mode. So this works only when you're in edit mode. Make sure you're in edit mode. Let's say you want to put a window on this face right here. Go to the tool menu and look for auto merge. Click on auto merge, and then you will see this other checker box written on split edges and faces. So now once you check that one, and you now come to your face and select your edge, for example this edge right here, and you make a copy of this edge, Shift D, and move it. While moving it, of course, you lock it to the appropriate axis. In this case, I'm locking it to the x-axis. Now when I drop that edge and I switch to face mode, as you can see, this face has been split without having to create an edge loop. So again, make sure you have auto merge and split edges selected in the tool menu while within the edit mode, and then from this point forward you can always select the edges and move copies of the edges with Shift D while locking them to whatever axis you want to create these face splits. So for example here I'm going to select this edge as well, Shift D, and I'm locking it to the Z axis. Again Shift D, and I'm locking it to the Z axis. And now once I go to face mode, you can see that now I have my window right there that I can extrude with the E button. So I'm extruding that to the back, and then as you can see now we have a window opening right there. I can always delete this face, and yeah, that's it. That's how you create split edges on a face within Blender, just like you will do in SketchUp. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe so that this video may also be recommended to other people with the same problem. Thanks.